Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's December 12th and this is going to be our video after PlayStation 5 Day. And for those of you who are following Gadget Pilipinas, we recently announced a giveaway a few weeks ago wherein we're giving away a smartphone, an Android smartphone. You can go and check out the link down below. And we said that we will be announcing the winner of the giveaway after December 11. Okay, so this is the day, and during the course of our video for today, we will be announcing the winner. It will be flashed in the screen sometime during the duration of this video. Now, what are we going to do tonight or today? We're going to unbox this mystery box that Cherry Mobile sent us. This is Cherry mystery box, as you can see right here, and it's interesting because I believe wala dito sa mystery box na to ang cellphone. There's no smartphone here. I've seen some of the posts of my fellow or colleagues in the industry. Pwedeng iba-iba, but before I forget, this is the smartphone that they sent a few weeks ago, which I will still be posting a review of in a few weeks. Now, this is the Aqua S9. We will be discussing that pretty soon. But this is the topic for today, and I'd like to share with you what we have right here. Now again, this is from Cherry Mobile. It says here to Mr. Gian Viterbo, thank you for your unwavering support for wishing you a safe and terrific Christmas. I like the pivot of Cherry Mobile. I know that they're still producing smartphones. We still have yet to see if this is a good smartphone or not, but what I want to say to you guys is that I'm really liking what's happening with them so far. From hygiene to smart smart home products. You know, their pivot to AIoT is really impressive, and I must commend people from Cherry Mobile, my friends from Cherry Mobile, for doing this. Not all of their products are perfect, but they're trying their best to still be relevant in the industry, and they are really doing so. Okay, so now let's move on and check out the box. No, whatever is inside this box right here. Okay, so let's go. So let's go and rip off this section. There you go. Let's do it again. I have done wrong. There. Perfection. The last time I actually unboxed was a few days ago when we unboxed the PlayStation 5, and this is a fairly different kind of product, I must say. Wow, lots of things inside. Okay, so it's indeed a surprise. You don't know what's inside. So I will try not to make a mess here, but let me go and take out some of the products that they have right here. Right? Okay. Okay, first is this Pulse headphones. It's an extra bass headphones S2 model. So I would assume that they have an S1 model, which I actually never tried before. So it says here extra bass. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, we'll go and check it out later on. And then we still have here a few power banks. There. Power bank, Powerlink Supreme, 20,000 milliampere battery. Okay. Power bank battery. We have Nitro Port Plus. It's a 2-port wall charger. Cool. So you can connect one USB Type-C with PD 3.0 compatibility, and there's another one right there, maybe for either for OPPO maybe or for Huawei. Okay, yeah. What else? We have 3-in-1 cable. Okay. Lightning plus micro plus Type-C. So that means if you don't want to carry around multiple cables, then you can just simply carry one with 3-in-1. Okay. Ayusin na. Then we have here a Cherry Nitro Port car charger. So there's a pattern here. It seems that all of their cables are or chargers rather, are labeled as Nitro. So there's Nitro port plus and there's Nitro port, car charger. So we have to take note of that Nitro branding right there. What else? There you go. We have a 10,000 milliampere Powerlink style power bank. 10,000 milliampere, you can carry it around. There's a sling at the back. Very nice. A couple, dami ah! Ang dami nito. A couple of chargers again. We have micro USB cable if you guys still carrying around a smartphone with the micro USB. If you are using a PlayStation 4, then you can use this for charging the DualShock controller. If you have a PlayStation 5 DualSense controller or any smartphones that, of course, have Type-C, then you can use this one. This is Type-C data cable. It only says data cable, but I believe you can still charge this. Okay, charge it. Napag na ganyan, baka malaglag. And we have additional Nitro port. Difference is that this one is also Nitro port. Difference is that this is plus 2 port, 1 port. So those are the differences between the two. That's really the major difference between the two. Apart from the design. We have Pulse Sport Wireless. So again, another very seamless and the uniform branding. Pulse. You have your Pulse headphones. You have Pulse Sport Wireless. Nice. And then we have Type-C cable, flat braided. So high quality stuff. It's USB 3.1. And I'm a fan of braided cables. Sobrang tibay kasi niya, subok na subok. And you know what? I want to know how good this is. So I'm pretty sure that this will fare well. But we'll see about that. And we have here for gamers, gaming Type-C cable. So that whenever you're playing games on your smartphone and you don't want the right or left side na nakabump na gano'n when you're charging on the way, then you can use this, which is medyo flat siya para hindi siya irritating when you're playing at the same time you are also charging. But if you're using phones like from Legion, also from Asus, ROG, then that's not going to be an issue for you whether or not you're using this kind of cable or the ordinary cable na pag ganun. I don't know what that thing is called, but yeah. We have another one, another 3.1 micro USB. So kanina it's a Type-C cable. This one naman is micro USB. So again, another good option for you guys out there. And then we have another one, gaming micro USB cable. So you have two variants here, one Type-C, and you have also another one that is micro USB. Again, these products are available at Lazada. They have an official store in Lazada. You can go and check them out. Prices also, I have already indicated the prices down below. So if you want to know the individual prices of these products, you can go and check them out at the description down below. This is one of my favorites. I've seen this posted by some of my fellow or my colleagues in the industry. This is a portable Ozonator. Yan. So, can be used for shoe cabin, pet house, refrigerator, car. So, it's supposed to clean the space where you're going to place this to. It's pretty interesting because lalo na ngayon, no, ang mga tao mahilig maglinis at gusto ng malinis na mga bagay. I don't think na meron pa dito. Wala na. Yep, wala na. So that's pretty much everything. Now, hold on. There you go. Para malinis. Woo! Woo! Yan. Okay. So, that's pretty much everything that we got right here. We have these cool items and accessories from Cherry Mobile. Hopefully, we'll also receive some from Cherry Home naman because this room right here, sobrang daming smart devices na I've been trying No, and I encourage you guys to start building your own smart home as well by buying products from reputable companies such as Cherry Home. There's also Lasco and other brands out there. But since Cherry also has their own AIoT company, which is Cherry Home, then you might as well consider them as well. They haven't stopped producing products. They haven't stopped producing accessories for consumer electronics clients or customers rather. And I think the pricing of their products are pretty impressive enough. I would see myself as someone who's still going to support them because I believe in their products, honestly. And this brings us to their new smartphone, which is the Aqua S9 Max. This one is a Helio G90T gaming chipset. It's I believe this one is selling for less than 10,000, 9,999. This went on sale for less than that. I think only 7,000 plus during the sale period. But this time, it's already selling for 9,999. It's G90T is really fast. I've tested some of the products that also run on G90T, and I would say that this one is really priced pretty well. And apart from that, it has 109 megapixel super pixel AI quad camera, and VoLTE support, liquid cooling tech, triple card tray, and it's running on Android 10. There's no word if this is gonna run on Android 11 or be upgraded to Android 11 pretty soon. Okay, this is the Aqua S9 Max TrueView 16 or 19 by 5 by 9. Huge G90T. You can use this smartphone playing Wild Rift, and LOL, Call of Duty, and a lot of cool games right now that you guys are very much accustomed to. And wow, what we got here is the green colorway. Yep. And it looks really nice. Running on Android. Taga kung di na kayo narinig yung tunog na yun. And happy all because finally we got another one from them. At ang tagal naghintay, from the S8 series, we now have the Aqua S9. I don't know about the Aqua sub-brand there, but I don't know why they named it Aqua, but the fact that there's an S9 here. Kasi di ba, nasanay tayo na Flare, di ba? Flare S9, Flare S8 rather. And now we have Aqua, Why? Okay. That's something that I would like to maybe ask Cherry Mobile. It has Type-C, so good. And there is also a 3.5mm headphone jack. So if you guys want to still use your wired headphones or earphones, then you're good to go. Again, running on G90T, still on 4G LTE, no 5G here. And I would be very happy if they would come up with a 5G smartphone pretty soon, hoping for that. I like the subtlety of the design. It's very minimalist. The build quality is very solid as well. And I like the fact that it's, it has that Huawei and also OPPO and Vivo vibe into it. Kind of says a lot about what they're trying to aim. The big guns are really dominating in the industry right now. And Cherry Mobile, a Filipino-owned company, they're bringing in their products to the market. And I'm happy for them. And I don't think it's going to be an issue. I don't think it's going to be a problem for Filipinos to still support Cherry Mobile. Okay, so this is the Aqua S9. I will be having a proper review on this on my website. You can go and check it out at gadgetpilipinas.net. And then again, these are all the products that we unboxed today from the mystery box from Cherry Mobile. Again, huge thanks to them for sending. Again, we're not paid by Cherry Mobile, but this is a good gesture from them. And you know what? Let us know in the comment section down below what we want what we can give away to you guys. At least give us 3 of your top wishes, except this one because this one's mine. Okay, I'm keeping this. But let us know here, among here, ano yung tatlo dito na gusto niyo matanggap for Christmas. That's on us, 3 among all of these. So we will be posting as well our mechanics for that. So, but I would love to know in the comment section below yung top 3 ninyo na nagustuhan dito at gusto nyong pag-giveaway namin. Well, that's it for now, guys. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. This is our quick unboxing of the mystery box that they sent us. Maraming salamat kay Cherry Mobile at maraming salamat din sa inyo. By this time, siguro nakita na niyo kung sino nanalo ng ating giveaway previously. And for those of you who are supporting us, maraming salamat for supporting us all the way. Meron man tayong giveaway or not, I'm really thanking you guys for this. Also, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Tech Mob community, and don't forget as well, we're also in Laz Feed. So you can go and check out my name, Giancarlo Viterbo, on Laz Feed. I am there. I'm posting my favorite products that I bought from Lazada, and you go and check them out. Again, this has been Gian. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.